Good morning. We have a building here that's 111 years old. We're coming from a small town from the south. We wanted to let y'all know we repaired some bricks up here about a year ago. We're fixing to take all of that down and put a window in. Pray for us. I want you to meet my husband.
Morning, folks.
Y'all probably already know him. He's already on YouTube. Pray for us, and we love you all.
Here we go.
We're back. I wanted to show y'all what we're talking about. This here and this here, and this is starting to fall down. I mean, it could fall in. You don't ever know with these old buildings, but we're going to take all of this down and put a window in here.
All right, we're going to adorn our PPE. Might recognize some of those people. Anyway, we're going to jump to time lapse and start taking this down. So hang in there, give us a thumbs up and a like. Tell us what you think.
Wish us luck.
Hey folks, just wanted to step in real quick, kind of tell you why we're doing this. We're getting prepared to put a window in here, like my better half said, so you can kind of see the sort that we've got here, having to take down the brick because it was bricked up at one time, had a window here a long time ago. They bricked it up, I guess the window got broke or whatever. But anyway, it's been in bad shape and we've done a little work, like Kim has said in the beginning, but we're going to put the eyebrow back in and a frame and put some sort of window in here, and maybe just a temporary something plastic or something of that nature. But anyway, if you're wondering, we're just using like regular old crowbars, flat bars, a couple different various sizes, a little mini one, but the biggest part of it is a big heavy duty flat bladed screwdriver. And here you go, mini mall, probably about a 2.5, 3 pounder. We even brought out, ta-da, it's a old fashioned flathead screwdriver that's been ground down to a pinpoint if you can't see, but it helps get in here and break up some of this stuff if we need it. But anyway, I'm gonna put you back to time lapse. Check it out. Makes me think of Mr. Gorbachev, tear down that wall. What do you think? Well, you see, we've taken it down this far. I got to move some of these brick. Got just about too many up here on the scaffolding with me. So hang in there. We'll be back in just a few minutes. Might see Pepper in just a minute too. Look who came to see us out here while we take a break. Pepper. Pep. Hey, Pep. Pep.
Aww.
Kiki.
Aww.
Say hello. Hello. Kiki. some peppers out here. There goes Pep Pep. Hey folks, welcome back. Kind of cut out a lot of the action, so we've managed to get it cleaned up a little bit, cut, and have installed the brow back. Let me bring you in for a little bit closer view. As you see, we framed it out and put the brow back up. Now we got to just finish up making us a little window to go up there. We're just probably going to put some bisqueen in it for right now. Get some plexiglass or regular glass later, and we'll hinge it and let it kick out to vent the building some. And it got warm this afternoon, let me tell you. Fall ain't here. So here we go. We're going to go back to some time lapse. Well, as you saw, we just put together a simple little frame. Nothing special. We're going to put some clear plastic over it, staple it on, and get it up because we're running out of daylight, as you see. So I guess with that, we'll kind of wrap this up. We'll give you the closing here in just a few minutes. Well, folks, as you see, here it is, temporary window in. We'll have to get us some plexiglass or glass and do us a real window. But this will get it through the night, probably in the next week or so. Give us a like and subscribe. Thanks.